Hey, how you guys doing? Bruce Auto Trade back with the next vlog. Today I'm working on my 125 horsepower Force Chrysler Mercury, whatever the Force 125. Alright, so here was the problem I get in here, right? So my tilt and trim only working halfway. You hear that? It's coming up. It's coming up. See? She's coming up, but she's not going down. And you're hearing that click, right? Now, when you gain something like that, and I don't know what you will be thinking. It had me thinking all type of stuff was going on. I thought it was the wires. Every time I switch this wire and I put the blue over where the green is here, it's working. It will go down. When I put it back, it would come up. But it just not happening through the up position. Is not, the up knob is not sending it up, and the down knob is not sending it down, but it's sending it up. And it's sending the down knob is sending it down when I flip it. It's complicated. I was just doing that to see what was the problem really. Now I play around with it. I end up cutting wires and all that I see corroded. See? Thinking it was some kind of electrical wire or something. Man, it was something that simple. The coils, the relays blown out. So anytime you get in a problem like that where you're hearing click, 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 but your tilt and trim is not going up, coils. Anytime you pressing on it and you're not getting nothing at all, come and check the fuse. There's a breaker, sorry, right here. There's a red little breaker, something which says breaker right there. Sometimes that chip, you see that red something right there? You see that where I'm pointing at, that red thing here, that where I'm touching? That's the fuse, right? That control the electric in the engine. Sometimes that trip off, you just go and press it to reset it. Alright, but easy fix. So I'm about to switch this out here real quick. Show you guys how solid. See, new one, old one. Right, and we about to push this here. You guys seeing? Alright, it's in good. And we about to come back here, so now. Alright, so down. See? She's going down. Up. I gotta put more fuel inside of the up because I was just changing it. So I gotta put more fuel in there for it to actually come up. But it's coming up. But I'm gonna send it down, right, till it touch the ground, right? So she touched the ground right there, right? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go put more fuel. So now it's working, down, up, right? So anytime you guys having a problem like that, just check the relay, switch it out, and that should solve your problem. Thank you guys for watching. Bruce Auto Trade. I'm with my bay liner. I switched the engine. It had a 90 horsepower on here. It was running, but I had a 125 that I had bought from a guy on offer, and I slap it on, and I want to see what it do this weekend. This gave me headache to put this here right in, this little bolt right here, from 2 o'clock to 7 o'clock at night, trying to put in that one bolt. My friend just come and help me, not even 3 minutes, and he got it to catch. Man, sometimes some things give you problem. But yeah, guys, anytime you all having a problem with your tilt and trim, simple. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Peace.